Good evening all. I have another box here to do an unboxing. I was contacted recently by a company asking if I will do a video sort of introduction demonstration of how their product works, and they have sent me it to do a video on it. So let's get this open first of all. So this is a slightly different unboxing than my normal ones, as this does not involve a radio, but it does involve a product to program a radio or radios. So let's get this open. It's a bit tight here. Okay, there we go. Let's get rid of that. Right, it's from a company called TID. Let's get the lights on here. It's from Tidradio, wireless programmer. So let's open it up and have a look. Get a box. Roadmaster programming app. User's manual. Oh look, there it is. Got the little device there. And I'm guessing... I am guessing. Not too sure what that's for. Anyway. There we have it. It is by Tidradio, and it is a Bluetooth programming connection. So it connects to Bluetooth on your phone. You plug that in the radios, they'd have this connection, and then you can program the radio on the fly from your phone. Yeah, so that's what I have. That's what I've been sent to do a little bit of video on it. Seems like the instructions seem okay, pretty good, nice and clear writing. Yeah, okay. So next I will do a video on the programming, and I will try a few of my radios and see how each one does. Okay, I will see you all soon. Just a very short video tonight. Have a good one.